Hello everyone, welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful Christmas wreath that I made using items from Dollar Tree and Walmart. If you like this video, click the like button and share with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Now let's get creating. So to create my beautiful wreath, I'm going to be using this 24-inch wreath form, and it's from Walmart and it cost me $4.48. And the first thing that I'm going to be doing to it is adding a little bit of white paint just to make it look like it has some snow on it. All right, let me show you what it looks like. Now I'm gonna take it and set it aside, let it dry, and I'm gonna be working on this sign that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna remove the metal part on the top, and then I'm gonna paint the back side white. Okay, so here it is. Now that the paint is dry, I am going to take this sign that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to remove the Let Us Know letters, and I'm going to glue them to the center of my ornament. Now I'm going to take that piece that I removed earlier and I'm going to glue it back on my ornament. And now I'm going to use these snowflake stickers to decorate my ornament. I'm just going to add a double hot glue and glue them randomly around my ornament. And now I'm going to add a few of these rhinestone stickers just to add a little more sparkle. Now I'm going to take my ornament and I'm going to attach it to my wreath. And for this, I'm just gonna put it right in the center, and I'm gonna use one of the branches from my wreath and I'm gonna put it through the hole that on the top of my ornament just to secure it in place. Now I'm going to take some of these silver and white poinsettias and I'm just going to glue them around my wreath. I'm just going to alternate one gray, one white, one gray, one white. And for this, I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue to glue them to my wreath. Next, I'm going to be using the silver ornament balls. They're like the medium-sized ones, and I'm just going to glue them in between the flowers. Okay, what I'm doing here, I'm just adding a dab of glue to the ornament balls, and you cannot see because I'm out of the shot, and I'm sorry about that. I thought I was in the shot, but because I'm standing up, you cannot see what I'm doing. But all I'm doing is just adding hot glue. And now I'm going to be adding some of these mini snowflakes that I also got from Dollar Tree. And by the way, all of the items that I'm using here are from Dollar Tree with the exception of the wreath and the LED lights. Those are from Walmart. Let me show you what my wreath looks so far. I took some of these snowflakes, I painted them white, and I added white glitter, and this is what they look like. I made 4 of these, and I'm gonna hot glue them on my wreath. Now I'm gonna add a few of these cones. This comes in the bushes with the cotton balls, and I bought 2 of those bushes from Dollar Tree, and so each comes with 2 pine cones, so I'm using 4 pine cones here. And now I will be gluing the cotton balls. And I'm also going to be adding some of these mini ornament balls. And now I'm going to be adding 4 of these cute white glittery ornaments. Now look at this beauty. I can't wait to hang it on my front door. It is so beautiful. I hope you like it too, and I hope you get to make it for yourself. And now the final step is to add the LED lights. You find these at Walmart. They're about $5 and change, and they have 3 settings. And what I like about them is they have a soft timer. You can turn them on, they stay on for 6 hours, and then they shut off for 18 hours. Okay, I'm done putting on the lights. It's looking really beautiful. Everything is as it should be. Now what I'm going to do to secure the battery pack, I'm just going to turn my wreath around, and I'm going to use the branches from the wreath just to wrap the battery pack, and that should hold it in place with no problem. You don't need to add glue or anything. Okay, let me show you the finished product. It looks amazing. I love it. I cannot wait until I hang this on my door. All right, my friends, this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. See you next time.